What is up, guys? Gaming Dad 93YT here. Today we're gonna play some Roblox. Yes, I know it's been a while, but you know what? Let's get into it. So I picked a game, and it's speedrun, and I like speedrun a lot. So let's do it. I've been on TikTok lately, so let's see how far we can get in 15 minutes. Oh, okay. I'll get a. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, we're doing it. It's like a fake speedrun. I love playing these types of games on Roblox. It's just so fun. Let's go! Okay. Swamp. I don't know how many levels there are. I think there's 18. Alright. No! Why is this so hard, guys? Okay, this should not be this hard. Let me turn up my brightness because I can't really see. There we go. The snakes hurt you? Oh, this makes it so much harder. How? Okay, I think we got it. Well, apparently it saves your progress since we just logged out, so let's check this out. Please save my progress. Okay, yes, purple platforms. This is where we're last at. Alright. Come on, we got this, we got this, we got this. We're just gaming gods out here. Make sure to add me at GamingGod93YT and you might get a shout out. Might. I don't know. Last platform, come on. Let's go! Alright. Ice pillars. Is this gonna be like... Oh, come on. I don't know which ones... What? Okay. How do I know what... How do I... Okay. I'm so confused. Figure out the pattern. You have to wait till the tide comes out. Cause the tide, it goes under. I think we got it. No, we were so close. This level. I don't like this level. I don't like this. Okay, we gotta go. You gotta go really fast. Is the tide coming back up? This is just messed up. This is super hard. Guys! On it. Let's kill it. Oh, you're telling me I have to do this? Okay. Oh, okay. Am I that bad? Come on. I don't like this already. I do not like this. Let's check what's up here. Ah, poor kid. Alright, so you gotta... Oh! Why are these so thin? We did it, guys. What level are we on? I'm on level 9. Alright, we have to get to level 18. Let's go. Oh, these move? Okay. Okay, guys, we got this. Don't give up hope yet. Oh, there's 2 ways to go. I'm gonna go this way. Seems a little shorter, I'm not sure. Okay. This game has me frustrated. Oh, you have to go quickly? Oh. Don't tell me I lagged out. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't die. Not yet, not yet. We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. If I die right now, I'm leaving. Let's go. Okay. The Sapphire Cave. Alright. Where do I go? I'm so confused. Oh, I'm Neon? Oops. I forgot to hit. Come on, we got this. I literally just hit skip level. Okay. Wait, there's lightning? What? What? No. Oh my god. I don't even know where to go. Do I jump? Huh? Okay. I might just be stupid, but do I go like this? I swear. Come on, come on. I can't lose now. There's just lightning. Oh my. How? Oh, it goes in. It's completely random. That is not fair. That is not fair. How? Because it could be any time. It's too fast. Yeah, I had to. Not final level. I can't even see. Wait a minute. Okay, well, that's a good start. What is this? I can't see. Where's my brightness? I can't see it. Do I have to make it? I can't see it. I just can't see it. What? I'm gonna get my free skip because that's literally impossible. Let's go. Super Mario. Oh, this looks so hard. Okay, so this girl is saying that she's the only one with Roblox. She said, you probably use Roblox Land. I'm gonna say, I don't, because I really don't know what Roblox Land is. That is. Like, the heck? Oop. Oh my god, this is so hard. They expect me to jump on this tiny squares. What is this game? Why is it so hard? Ah. What is this? 13? This game is hard. Like, it's actually hard. It's not easy. I'm telling you. I'm on computer, so this makes it a little more difficult. Okay, I got it. I got it. This game is actually getting on my nerves. Like, and I have to go all the way over there. Oh, what am I doing? I thought it was wrong jump. Like, this game is super hard. It's just super hard. I can get Robux whenever I want. Like, after I finish shooting, so I get Robux whenever I want. Just, I don't go spending. So, like, I don't really care. I mean, like, I save up. I save up for my Robux. Well, she's just gonna spend a bunch of Robux. Well, I have a life. I work for my money. I do chores. So we just want to get to the end of this game. You guys already know. So what is Burnt Island? Oh, this is easy. What? This is better than... I'm an idiot. Alright, let's try this again. Okay. I'm just gonna turn off her because she's arguing. So Roblox Premium looks like this, like with that little square. She thinks Roblox Premium is if you don't have the square. So I'm trying to tell her, but she doesn't listen. Ooh, I kind of like this. Where do I go? Come on. Is this the end of the level? The nightmare? Okay, this is getting darker real quick. Where do I go? Oh, this way? Okay. Oh, this is simple. I don't know why these kids are still on here. It doesn't seem to. Ooh. Oh, okay. Every time I turn back on my camera and my mic and I redo the edit, it always cuts off. It's like, come on. What's the big deal? Okay. I'm gonna get to that edge right here. I almost did not make that jump. Okay. Okay. Come on. This is so hard. So long, too. Gotta angle. Okay, just gotta make it over there. That's it. Come on, come on, come on. When I edit it, it takes me like 50 tries. Don't cut me out. Oh, those are so thin. What? This game actually is cheating. They're making these bars so thin. I'm so scared. Like, I don't want to give up right now. Like, okay, we're doing it. Come on. Oh my gosh, my game lagged. Okay, okay. One more. We did it! Let's go. Are we on level 16? Red. Why is this getting so dark? I'm so confused. Okay, this seems very simple. Yep, this is simple. This is easy. Oh, and I just died, but we got this. We got this. Ooh, skip the platform. Got him. Okay, how do I get up here? Oh. Gaming is like punching me in the butt right now. Okay. I have a free skip, which is good. Let's go. Okay, so Mushroom Swamp. Is this like Minecraft now? Let's go. Let's go. Alright. And if we're so close, guys. Multicolored platforms. This seems simple. It's literally just jumping straight. Oh, the jumps are huge. You gotta get on that very edge. Come on, come on. What level is this? Is that it? Wait a minute. It's like a glitch or something. Shouldn't it take me to the next level or the beginning if it's the end? Or is it just a warp? Thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoy. If you want to see more, then make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.